Hey, what is going on, guys? You have a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code. It's very, very simple. They already have a built-in scanner built into it, so you don't have to download anything. The only thing you got to do is open up your camera. You can double-click the power button here for a shortcut. Make sure that it's on photo. And now, it doesn't matter where the QR code is. It could be on my phone. It could be on a piece of paper. It could be on my hat. It could be on my shirt. It could be on my computer. It does not matter. So, for example, here's, let's go with this QR code right here on this box here. Let's go ahead and just bring it up here. And you can see that that's going to take us to a website. Now, these QR codes can take you to a website. It can take you to the App Store, so you can download an app. It can even send you a message or even send you a contact to save. Let's do something else. Here's two QR codes here. Let's do both of them. Okay, so here's one right here. This will take me to a web page. How about this one over here? This one here take me to Wikipedia. Let's go ahead and see what that one brings us to exactly. And there you go. So pretty easy. Again, the QR code is built in. See you on the next one.